is still a gender gap when it comes to math and science, girls lagging behind boys. Through camps and classes, a local woman is now looking to change that, and I'm joined by the founder of Girls Rock Math. Her name is Jessica Johnson. Great title, great to see you. So what's your mission here?
Our mission is to empower girls to find a love of math through creative and social experiences.
So you work with girls every day?
Yes.
Young girls. Why do you think that this setback still exists, that girls are falling behind boys when it comes to math and science?
Well, the way that the studies have shown that girls do best in math classes isn't always how it's taught. So a lot of studies show that girls do better when they learn socially, or when they know what the purpose of an activity is, or when it has a creative result. So what I'm doing at Girls Rock Math is using the arts and humanities as a launching point for math discovery.
We should point out that women only make up 25% of what are called STEM jobs: science, technology, engineering, math. So if you're going to hook them when it comes to math, you have to hook them young. How do you do that?
Well, we get them really excited and involved in math. We're teaching them about female leaders in mathematics. We're giving them great role models with our interns, girls who are passionate about engineering and science and mathematics right now. And then we are showing them that math can be really fun, that it's, especially at the young age, they start to think of math as arithmetic. And worse than that, they start to think of math drills and time tests, because that's a lot of what they associate math with. And studies also show that, you know, boys do better with the speed and competition, and girls do better with collaborative learning. So that's what we're really focusing on.
I gotta say, you say math to many parents. They're not gonna think fun. They're not gonna think camp.
Right.
So that's your hurdle, correct?
Yeah. And it is really fun. Every day the girls come out of it, that was so fun, and we talk about the things that we do, and we're studying, we did beading, and so they did a lot of mathematics through beads and finding number patterns and starting to do mathematics that 5 and 6, 7-year-olds don't normally do, but we're exploring multiples, and we're doing all sorts of things that they might not do at that age. And with the kids a little bit older, we're starting algebra concepts that they might not get to in a textbook, but through the hands-on experiences that we're doing, they're able to get to that earlier because there's a context for it.
You find it fascinating, and apparently so do some researchers at the University of Washington. Yeah. They're now studying your program, which is set up in West Seattle. What are they doing?
They are looking at the girls who come in, and they're looking to see what their perception of themselves is before they start as a mathematician, and look at what their preconceived notions are of mathematics, or those kinds of their self-image, and then looking at how they come out of it at the end. Because what these researchers have found is that as early as 2nd grade, girls are seeing that math is for boys and reading is for girls. And it is a subconscious, it's often subconscious, but it's still there. So we're trying to find out if these kinds of programs can help girls get over that hurdle and go further in math later on.
Looking to rock the trend with Girls Rock.